Hello everybody and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues, and today I'm reviewing this EasySMX gaming keyboard which you can buy on Amazon. It comes in this box here. Notifications at the back. It says EasySMX on the back. It works on obviously Windows 2000 and Windows XP, but who uses that these days? No one uses that anymore. But anyway, if you want to email them, on the back of the box it says their email address, the website, and their address as well. And there's a scanner for the website. And let's open the box. Well, this keyboard is actually, it is nice, but it's quite big. As you can see, look how big it is. Take the box. Just take out the box. This is the gaming keyboard, which comes with these sticky things on the keyboard. Let's take them off first. On there, there's quite a few of them, actually. There's one there. On the side here, there's one up here. At the back of the keyboard, you get the two stands, clips, and also, obviously, their make another scanner at the back as well. I'm just going to plug this in and try it out. I'll be back in a sec. Hello everybody, now this is the gaming keyboard here. The size of this keyboard is 47.5 centimeters by 19.33 centimeters. This is obviously a gaming keyboard. It's quite big as well. If you want to turn off the backlight, you can by pressing this button here, which is located in between the Fn and the control button. Press this button here, it goes off. Also, you can change the typing speed by pressing Fn and Q together. That changes the typing speed, so when you're typing, you can get displays faster. This is it's a nice keyboard. It's quite, the keys, when you press them, the keys are quite soft, quite nice to press. I'll show you, just zoom in, just show you the full size keyboard. These part the top part here doesn't really light up red. It just stays like that. And it's got our logo at the bottom in the middle, EasySMX. This keyboard can be purchased on Amazon, and it is $21.99 at the moment. Actually, not a bad price, to be honest with you. I mean, it's quite a strong keyboard. Then also, if you want, like what I've done, is I've got the keyboard and ta-da! I've got the mouse as well. Actually, this mouse is obviously the same make, EasySMX, and it's red, the same, which matches the keyboard. Both the keyboard and the mouse are wired USB. Yeah. So say if you want to buy this keyboard, I'll put a link in the description below. But apart from that, thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Bye.